Making money with dropshipping on Facebook Marketplace involves listing and selling products without holding inventory. You act as a middleman, listing items from suppliers, and when a customer buys, you order from the supplier who ships it directly to the buyer. Here's how to get started. Find trending products. Research high-demand, low-competition products using platforms like AliExpress, CJ Dropshipping, or Walmart. Focus on fast shipping items to keep customers happy. Popular niches include home decor, gadgets, pet supplies, and fashion accessories. List products on Facebook Marketplace. Use high-quality images and detailed descriptions to create professional listings. Set a price that covers supplier costs, Facebook fees, and ensures profitability. Fulfill orders with a supplier. Once a customer purchases, place the order with your supplier and enter the customer's shipping details. Suppliers like Amazon, Walmart, or eBay can offer fast shipping, increasing customer satisfaction. Automate and scale. Use tools like ZDrop or FBM Fox to manage listings and automate product updates. Offer excellent customer support to boost your reputation and encourage repeat buyers.